Now, has this been painful recently to walk on?
More on the other foot.
Okay. Yeah, so as long as we get these trimmed every few months, you'll probably not have a lot of discomfort or a lot of problems from them.
Like I said, I think I noticed that I do walk on the outside, toward the outside, and so is that why they continue to form?
Well, yeah, and not even that you're walking to the outside, even if you're walking flat.
Mm-hmm.
This spot is just sitting down a little bit lower, so it just gets more...
More weight bearing, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because on my big toe, that's the one that I've had to trim back.
Yeah. There's not much here.
The other foot's worse.
Right. I have to do a different angle for that. Yeah, and these will continue to come back. So the key really is just to trim them down, manage them. We've talked about what you can do at home. Relax here. Relax. There you go. But the more you wear your orthotics, the less this one's going to be a problem. And then lastly, this one right there.
Man, whatever that is building up on the side there.
Yeah, it's just more callus. And so on the
That's what
side right here,
That's what hurts the most,
right there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's just a question of the shoe rubbing against this little piece of bone right underneath there, and it's inflamed. So, that bone is prominent, and there's probably a little bit of bursitis under it. So the shoe is just rubbing, and this is just where you're getting too much pressure. So I'll show you how you can pad that area a little bit. And then this one. So for that little spot on the top of the foot there, we have these pads. Strangely enough, we call them U-pads. Okay? And this would be something that you could just put, with the shoes that irritate it,
Mm-hmm.
you could just put it around that spot there.
Oh.
And then the pressure will be taken up by the pad and not that spot. Okay, it's just a prominence of that head, that metatarsal head right there.
Okay.
Now, if this is too much on the bottom, you could even trim that piece off. So you're
I
not
think it's mainly in my hiking boots that it.
in your hiking boots.
Mhm.
Okay, yeah. So that would be where you'd want to wear these. So let me give you a few of these to use. And give them a try. And then the one other thing with these is if you like it but find that it's too thick,
Mm-hmm.
you can just pull off a couple, well, no, just pull off some of the layers.
Okay.
You see how the felt is all in
Yeah.
layers? So
Yeah.
that'll make it thinner
Okay.
and still fit into your hiking boot. So,
Okay.
so give that a try.